Hey guys, welcome back with another video. Today we are going to be playing some Mineplex. I think that we are going to do this time. Last time we played Cake Wars, so this time let's play Turf Wars. As you can see, I got new mic right here. Thinking of the actual mic soon. Let's switch this. Okay, let's see what team we're on. We're on team that won't load up. Oh, there we go. Okay, guys, we are on blue team. Okay, let's start building a little wall. We're Donald Trump. We're building a wall. There we go. Oh, we haven't got shot down yet, but can't shoot yet. But oh no, I know them. They're gonna try. Ah. Oof. What kit is that? Ooh, I got a kill. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually a good plan. I never thought I would be thinking, oh, we just got shot down. Okay, so far our team is winning. But that may change soon. That's actually a good idea. Wonder how they got out there though. Ow, that hurt. Oh, it's a tie now. Who will kill who? Ooh, we're winning. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, build time. So we're gonna reconstruct the wall. Oh, well, that's what I'm doing now. We're gonna make a little base for us to shoot at. Oh, wow. Wow, just wow. Oh no. This is where the red team gets their advantage of winning. Oh, it's tied again. Yo, GG! That bow shot. Oh! Psych. Psych. Oh, we got. You, GG. Missed it. Missed that shot. Oh, GG. We're winning pretty good. We're doing pretty good right now. GG. See that far distance shoot? GG. I just got like two kills in one day. We're gonna go for it long. No, I couldn't do that. Oof. Still winning though. We still have a chance. Ooh. Let's rebuild this wall. We're reconstructing the wall. Oh, we're reconstructing it right here. Oof! Did you just see that? They just got us. Oh, yeah, we're dead. Ha! Oh, wow. Just wow. Okay, can we make this? Oof! I gotta kill the guy. Don't kill me. And that's how this game works. Get a kill and then you get killed. Ooh. No, oh no. Guys, let's try to get that. Do you think we can get this, guys? Ooh, yeet, we just yeeted that one out. No! Why do I keep standing in the same place and getting shot at? To the point where, like, I really... Ugh. No. Ooh. 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 We just got shot down. Oh, they tried shooting. Okay, here's my plan, guys. Next round, if we can get another kit, that would be great. We can get the Incubator, whatever it's called. Oh wow, why did I just stay still? Trying to get a good aim on, but yet that failed. Ooh, yeet! Ooh, I got it one shot. Oh. No. Here's my thing. I'm about to make a base for myself. Oh, wow. Just wow. Oh, no.
Daddy?
No.
Can you try to call Daddy?
No.
No, because I need money. Alright? Yeah.
Haha. The plan worked. Oh no, we're gonna die. We have like 0 chances. They already own so much of the turf that they can legit like. Okay, we're starting to gain some of our turf now. There we go. We're shooting them down. Oh! Oh! We're getting it back! We're getting our turf! We're getting our turf! Here's my plan. Oh no! Oh no! No! I couldn't get him. Guys, we're very close. Build time. I feel like we can make this. I'm definitely going to be the one towering up, making that little power-up base. I don't think I can make it in time. Nope, I couldn't make that in time. Here's my plan. You not see that? Ooh, well, I mean, we have a huge little base right here. I just said huge and little in the same sentence. How can I do that? Ooh, we may win this. Sight. Don't mind her. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. All we have to do is legit get one more kill. GG, guys. We won it. We won this. Yeah. GG. See all this? Bark, 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 bark. We won this. We won it. So, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Bye.